Hey, Five, I just gave you a picture of some device that's hanging up in the wall in our garage. This is supposed to control our sprinkler system for the house. We've been here for like 2 days and it hasn't been watering at all, so we need to get this activated like ASAP right now. How do I start this manually?
Hey, I see the picture you sent, and it looks like you've got a 100x core sprinkler system. Let's get that water going manually right now. 1, turn the dial to manual. You'll see the display show zone 1 and a flashing time, likely 5 minutes. 2, use the plus and mass buttons to adjust the time if needed. 3, once you're ready, turn the dial back to run to start the watering. This should kick off zone 1, and it will automatically move to the next zones once the time is up. Let me know how it goes.
Okay, so I just flipped it to manual. It's got a number 1 on the top left-hand side. It's got a whole bunch of bars, like vertical bars on the far left of it. And it's got the letter A directly beneath the number 1. And then to the right of it, there's a blinking light, a blinking time. It says 0.30. I'm assuming that means 30 minutes.
It sounds like you're in manual mode, and zone 1 is selected. The blinking 0.30 does indeed mean it's set to water for 30 minutes. Here's what to do next. 1, if you're okay with 30 minutes of watering for zone 1,
that's too much.
Go ahead and leave it as is.
We're testing.
2, if you want to adjust the time, use the plus and mass buttons to increase or decrease the watering duration. 3, once you're happy with the time, turn the dial back to run to start the watering process.
All right, we just set it to 5 minutes. I'm flipping it from manual to run right now.
Perfect. Once Bennett flips it to run, the watering for zone 1 should start right away. Let me know if you see the system kick in, and we'll make sure everything is working as it should.
Yup, everything's working. Well, at least the front yard. Okay, so zone 1 is the front of the house, like directly in front of the patio. Cool. How do we stop this?
To turn off the watering, just turn the dial to off. This will immediately stop all watering. Once you're done, you can turn the dial back to run for the system to return to its regular programming. Let me know when you're ready to check the next zone.
I'm ready to check the next zone.
Awesome. Here's how to check the next zone. 1, turn the dial to manual. 2, press the right arrow to move from zone 1 to zone 2. 3, adjust the watering time if needed using the plus and mash buttons. 4, once you're ready, turn the dial back to run to start watering zone 2. Let me know what area zone 2 waters.
Checking. All right, we just started it. I hear it.
You have reached the message cap for GPT-4. Please try again later.
No!
You have reached the message cap for GPT-4.
No!
Please try again later. You've reached the message cap for GPT-4. Please try again later.